Hi there, I'm Shelley and behind the camera is Sep.
Hi.
And we like to make and create things, and today we're going to show you how to make this tiled plant box. For this project you need 4 floor tiles for the outside. You could also use, if you want to do a plant pot for the inside, you could also use wall tiles. You need 5 of them though. And if you want to know what else you need for this project, then you can take a look down below in the description. For the base, we're going to take 1 tile and we're going to cut a 2 centimetre width of tile off using the tile cutter. Now we're going to cut the 2 sides. We need another tile and we have to measure the width of the tile, and we're going to measure in here the width of the tile, and then we're going to cut these 2 ends off, and these 2 ends will be the sides of our plant box. From the base of the plant pot, we've cut away to this 2 centimetre strip of tile, and this is the measurement 2 centimetres we got from 2 times the thickness of the tile plus 4 millimetres on top. That was here 2 centimetres, and with this smaller plant pot that we're going to make, this is a little bit different. You need there, because the tile's thinner, we need a little bit less, so it's 2 times the tile thickness plus 2 millimetres on top, and in our case this was 12 millimetres. Now we're going to take the 2 sides that haven't been cut, and we're going to take some duct tape. We're going to put on 4 pieces of duct tape, 2 here and 2 here. You now need a piece of wood. Ideally this wood is wider than your tile and is as flat as possible. It's not allowed to be warped or anything. On the top of this wood I've already put on some sellotape. Here it is, some sellotape. I've put strips of sellotape on here. This is to stop the silicone sticking to the wood, and you then won't be able to get your plant pot off. So 2 rows of sellotape on there. This is the base tile that's been cut, and this is going to be placed on top of the wood. Now I'm going to build the plant pot together. Therefore we need the 2 side tiles that we cut earlier. The red edge that we cut goes down towards the bottom of the plant pot, and we're going to take one of these sides that we've got the duct tape on. As you can see, the duct tape's on there. We're going to put silicone on this tile and down here, along the bottom here and up the sides here. Then we can middle it out on the tile, on the bottom base tile, and push it into place. Then we're going to take 1 side tile with the cut edge at the bottom and going to put this onto here. We're then going to press it together, and the silicone will come out at the edge here, and Sep will scrape it off with this silicone scraper, and then he'll tape it into position. And we're going to do exactly the same with the other side. And if you look here, there's about a 2 millimetre gap. We're going to fill a part of this gap with silicone, and a part of it's going to be left for drainage from the plants. And it's on this side as well as on this side here. Now we're going to do exactly the same with this other side tile. We're going to put silicone along here, along the bottom and up this side, and we're going to stick it with the tape into place. Now Sep's going to put silicone on all the inside edges that I've already got silicone on, so we're going to put another layer on top, on the edge along the bottom, up the sides, and the edge in the middle on the sides is going to put about a 5 to 8 centimetre bit, and left and right is not going to put any in. That's so that the water can come out when we water the plants, because we don't want it to get waterlogged. If you're using these inside and you're just going to use them as plant pots, then you need to put silicone all along the edge. And now he's got to take this piece of plastic and he's got to pull the silicone off to make a nice smooth inside edge. My plant pot now has to dry for 24 hours so that the silicone is hard. Once that's all done, then I can start taking off all the tape that's around it, and I can start filling it with earth and plant it like this one. With this little one here, I can take these off as well. Come on. And I can use this just with a plant of any type and just put it in there. I can use it in the home because I've put silicone in all the way around on the inside. So I hope you liked today's film. Press like, subscribe and everything else, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks. Ciao.